Good morning. Today the class is about how to deduce the Religion's law from a Planck's radiation law. So, in the previous class or yesterday class, we have seen that how we deduce the uh, Wien's displacement or Wien's law from Planck's radiation law. So, today the class is about how we derive the how we deduce the Religion's law from the Planck's radiation law. Okay, now we know that the expression for the Planck's radiation law in terms of wavelength is E lambda d lambda is equal to 8 pi hc by lambda power 5 into e to the power of hc by lambda kt minus 1 into d lambda. So I already clearly mentioned in the previous videos that Wien's law is only for the shorter wavelengths, applicable to the shorter wavelengths, and Religion's law is only applicable to the longer wavelengths. So for our assumption, let us assume that lambda kt is greater than 1. Okay, lambda kt is greater than 1. As the lambda kt is greater than unity or greater than 1, then hc by lambda kt, okay, is less than 1, as we assumed in the previous Wien's law only. So same formula will be applied. Now as the hc by lambda kt is less than 1, okay, far less than 1, then exponential of hc by lambda kt is equal to, that is e power exponential, okay, e power x. So in terms of e power x, we can express in the terms of e power x is equal to 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x power so on x power n. Okay. Now this is the expansion of e power x term. So now neglecting the higher order terms like power 2 and power 3 and so on, just the remaining term will be 1 plus hc by lambda kt. So we know that hc by lambda kt is far less than 1. Okay. Now after assuming hc by lambda kt is far less than 1, then if you substitute that equation in equation 1, that is the Planck's radiation law, we have the Planck's radiation law as 8 pi hc by lambda power 5 into exponential of e power hc by lambda kt. So in our assumption, what we got, e power hc by lambda kt, that is 1 plus hc by lambda kt. So minus 1 is similar to equation 1 only, then plus 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled, then finally the remaining term is what the thing will be remain, 8 pi lambda kt by, okay, 8 pi kt by lambda power 4 into d lambda. Here the lambda 1 and lambda 1 gets cancelled, so the remaining wavelength will be power 4. So the final equation is 8 pi kt, okay, 8 pi kt into lambda power minus 4 into d lambda. We are removing or we are making this denominator into a numerator. Then the final equation will be e lambda d lambda is equal to 8 pi kt into lambda power minus 4 into d lambda. So this represents the Religion's law from Planck's law. So I already clearly said that the question will be deduce all the three laws like Wien's law or Wien's displacement law and Religion's law and Stephen's law from the Planck's law. So that is the question. Okay. So kindly focus on this question to the examination point of view as essay point of view. Okay. And the next topic will be on the session will be on the topic of how we will derive a Stephen law from a Planck's law. So remember that from the Planck's law we are deriving the Stephen's law. Okay. Again we are deriving the Wien's law, and finally we are deriving the Religion's law from the Planck's law. So the question will be deduce all the three laws from the Planck's radiation law. This will be a one question. and also there will be a chance of asking give or describe the expression for the Planck's quantum theory of radiation. Okay, that may be a question. For that question we have to write the answer of whole expression for the what is the Planck's radiation theory and also this expression part. So up to how we will note Planck's radiation law in terms of frequency as well as in terms of wavelength. Okay.